So we have this very interesting geometry question today. In this question, we are given a rectangle ABCD and two semicircles. The radius of these two semicircles is same. Yes, we can see that the radius of these two semicircles is exactly same. What is the length of this rectangle? The length is 6. The width of this rectangle is 4. We need to find the radius of this semicircle. So let's see how we can find the radius of this semicircle. To find the radius of this semicircle, we will be doing some construction. Let's see what is that construction. So first of all, we will be joining points S and T. And we can clearly see that these points S, P and T lie on a straight line. These points lie on a straight line, correct? Now after this, we will be doing one more construction. That is, we will be drawing one perpendicular from point S to BC. We will be drawing one perpendicular. Okay. So this is a perpendicular line. After doing this construction, we will be marking few important things in this figure. Let's see what are those important things. Let this point of perpendicular be point X. And let's mark the radius of these two semicircles. This is radius R. This is also radius R. Yes. And the length AD of a rectangle is 6. See, if you look carefully, ASXB or ABXS forms a rectangle. This is a rectangle. So if this is R, this BX is also R, correct? Now if BX is R and TC is R, what will be the length of XT? The length of XT will be what? This will be 6 minus 2R. 6 minus 2R, because 6 is the length of rectangle and we are subtracting 2R from BX and TC, right? Now if you look at SP, SP is also radius and PT is also radius. That means ST becomes 2R. And what was the width? The width of rectangle was 4. So if width is 4, definitely SX is also 4. SX is also 4. Yes. Now to solve this question, we will be looking at right triangle S, X and T. And we will be applying what? Pythagoras theorem. We will be applying Pythagoras theorem over here. Now if we apply Pythagoras theorem, we will get Sx square plus xt square is equals to st square. Sx is 4 square and xt is 6 minus 2r whole square. st is 2r, yes, whole square. Now 4 square is 16. We will be using algebraic identity to expand this. We will get 6 square plus 2r whole square minus 2 times 6 times 2r is equals to 2r whole square. Now 2r whole square is on both the sides, so we can cancel them out. We will be left with 16 plus 36 is equals to, I am sending negative 2 times 6 times 2r on the other side. We will get 12 times 2r, which is 24r. Okay. If we simplify this further, we will get r equals to 52 by 24. If we simplify this, we will get 13 over 6. So radius of these semicircles is 13 by 6. Our final answer, radius of these semicircles is 13 by 6. I hope you enjoyed the solution. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel.